Welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to set the foundation for smooth and stress-free meal planning by organizing your pantry and stocking your kitchen with the right essentials. Because when your kitchen is organized, cooking becomes faster, easier, and more enjoyable. Let's start with pantry organization. Your pantry is the heart of your meal planning system. When it's clutter-free and well-stocked, you can create healthy meals in minutes without extra trips to the store. Step 1. Clear and categorize. Take everything out and group similar items together: grains, canned goods, spices, snacks, oils, and condiments. Check expiration dates and donate anything you won't use. Step 2. Organize by visibility and frequency. Keep your most used items like rice, pasta, oats, and canned beans at eye level. Store baking supplies and rarely used items on higher or lower shelves. Transparent containers are a game changer here. Use clear, airtight jars or bins so you can see exactly what you have. Label everything. It helps prevent duplicates and makes restocking easy. Step 3. Create a system for staples. Every well-organized pantry should include core ingredients that make quick, balanced meals possible. Here's a basic list to get you started. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats. Proteins like canned tuna, beans, lentils, and nut butters. Healthy fats like olive oil, nuts, and seeds. And versatile condiments like vinegar, soy sauce, and herbs. Keeping these on hand means you can always put together something nutritious. Step 4. Manage inventory smartly. Use the first in, first out rule. Move older items to the front so they get used first. Once a month, do a quick check to restock any missing staples. Step 5. Dedicate a small space for meal prep supplies, things like reusable containers, measuring cups, and food scales. Having them accessible saves time during cooking and cleanup. Now let's talk about kitchen essentials. You don't need a professional setup, just a few reliable tools that make cooking efficient and enjoyable. For cookware, start with a nonstick skillet, a medium saucepan, a large pot, and a baking sheet. These cover 90% of your meal prep needs. Add a cutting board, a sharp chef's knife, and a paring knife. Dull knives slow you down and make prep harder. For utensils, keep a wooden spoon, tongs, spatula, whisk, and ladle. Store them upright in a jar near your stove for easy access. Measuring cups, spoons, and mixing bowls are also must-haves for accurate cooking. Next, think about storage tools. Invest in high-quality reusable containers, ideally glass with airtight lids, for leftovers and batch-prepped meals. Label them by date so you always know what's fresh. Mason jars are perfect for storing dry goods, overnight oats, and dressings. For organization, drawer dividers, lazy Susans, and shelf risers can double your storage space and make your pantry more functional. Small appliances can also save you time. A blender, rice cooker, and slow cooker or instant pot can simplify prep and cooking. Choose tools you'll actually use. It's better to have a few favorites than a cluttered countertop. Don't forget cleaning essentials. Dish soap, sponges, and microfiber cloths. A clean workspace keeps your cooking efficient and enjoyable. Finally, make your kitchen inspiring. Add a whiteboard or sticky notes for meal planning reminders, grocery needs, or motivational quotes. A pleasant environment encourages consistency. Here's your quick recap. Declutter your pantry, store staples in clear containers, stock basic ingredient, invest in key cookware and tools. An organized kitchen isn't just about neatness. It's about creating a space that supports your goals and saves you time. In the next lesson, we'll bring it all together and create your first weekly meal planner, step by step. Let's get your kitchen ready to work for you.